Testing with a more complex model. Now let's try something more complex. Let's search for a wooden designer chair. Again, open browser, search, save the image, upload through the camera tool, and you'll see this tool is extremely helpful when you're working with specific brand designs, client-provided references, unique furniture styles. Instead of wasting time searching manually, you let the AI search visually. Important note, now listen carefully. If you upload an image and Coohom doesn't show the exact model, that means the model is currently not available in the Coohom library. In that case, you have two options: upload your own 3D model into Coohom or create the model manually inside Coohom. So the tool works only if something similar exists in the system, but most of the time it saves a lot of time. Why this tool is powerful? Think about this. As designers, we often follow brand references, match Pinterest inspiration, work with client images, and manually searching takes too long. This camera tool makes your workflow faster, more professional, and more accurate, and that's how you design smarter.